the right. I don't know if my alignment needs to be checked or what, but I slid pretty good before. But, you know, I remembered my training in my CDL courses. I had to deal with slides or skids. So I took my foot off the brake and I corrected my turn pretty quickly. But, you know, when you're sliding for a second, you know, it's pretty scary. Especially when the car is going sideways down the road. So, see? That does that. Go to the right. This guy in front of me is having the exact same problem. He keeps, when he hits the gas, he goes to the right. Now, I want to record this because I'm about to go down a very steep hill. So let me put my blinker on, brace for this. Okay, here comes the hill. This guy in front of me, he's being real cautious. Good. I'm going to give him a lot of room. I do not want to slide into him. Very careful here. I got these two. He's got to stop. Here we go. That's nice. You're not really in control of the vehicle. Sir Isaac Newton's in control of my vehicle right now. Gravity. I got some control. Still. Go slow. Real slow. Alright, we negotiated that. Good. The guy in front of me was smart. I was smart. Let me stay away from him a little bit. There you go. And this is driving in the snow, ladies and gentlemen. For those of you, some of my friends and family who really don't live up here anymore, that's driving in the snow. You got to take those downhills real careful. Here we have a slight incline instead of a decline. Now here you have to do the opposite. You got to speed it up.